Hi everyone, Melinda Ford here with Kindness Club International, and I am here to show you how you can create your own unique Love Always Kindness Ambassador bag. Now, with the bag comes a kit. You get the bag here that has a little zipper, a long handle. You also get trading cards. They were designed by students, tools that you can use to connect with other people and to spread kindness. You'll also get some postcards and notes. So I want to share with you how you can personalize your bag with some simple puffy paint and some rhinestones. Now this bag, I got started a little bit earlier, and I'm working with these 4 colors today. I've already put some on my palette, and I simply want to work with this red first. I'm going to go over the gray, and it's really simple. It's real nice and smooth. And if you go out of the lines, it doesn't matter. You can just fill it in a little bit like I did right there. So that's the red. Now I want to add a little bit of purple to add some dimension to what I did earlier. So I'm just going to go over this, the paint that's already dry, with a little bit of purple. And that's it. So it gives a little bit of dimension. Put a little bit more right there. Now I love rhinestones and glitter, so I want to show you how you can add some rhinestones to your bag. You simply take a little bit of paint, any kind of paint. I've got some clear here though. Clear, and I'm gonna put a little, it's kind of big, but that's okay. A little drop of it right there. And then I'm gonna get some of my rhinestones. If you lick your finger, it works really easy. Here, and then I'm gonna set that down on top of the paint. Tap it in a little bit, and voila, got a little bit of excess. I'm going to take around there, and then when it's done, it'll dry clear and it'll be just amazing and sparkly. So this is just a really brief introduction. It's super simple for you to personalize your own bag, and again, it's Love Always, and you can find them at thekindnessclub.net. And I'm Melinda Forward, and I look forward to talking to you more about some of our other bags and our t-shirts. So get out there and spread kindness and inspire change, because we need more kindness in the world, and it's up to us to create it. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon.